So, is there a way to promote an affiliate offer and always make money from it? Yes, there is. What's going on, guys? My name is Faz, talking to you guys here today about affiliate marketing. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. You're not going to want to miss this. And as well, join my Facebook group link down below for all of this stuff. So, with that being said, the topic for today's video is, can you make money from just about any affiliate offer? And if so, how? And the answer to that is yes, there is. It is all dependent on the right offer. Look, I know any sounds clickbait-ish, but that's not really the point here. The point is, can you make money from just about any affiliate offer? And the answer is yes, if it is the right affiliate offer. And the point here is, the affiliate offer has to be paying you enough back in return for you to be able to make that profit. Okay, so how do you do this? I'm gonna hop on my computer and show you guys basically how to make money from just about any affiliate marketing offer and go from there, how to find the right offer, and then how to maximize on it and make a profit from that offer. So with that being said, let's hop into my computer and I'll see you guys there. All right, what's going on, guys? I am here now on my computer so you guys can see everything clearly and I can show you exactly what I mean. So let's start, of course, with finding our affiliate offer. So that is step number one. So as you guys can see on my screen right now, I am in Max Bounty, which is the affiliate network that I'm going to use to find my affiliate offer. You can use anything. You can use ClickBank, you can use CJ Affiliates, you can use just about anything out there to find that affiliate offer. Okay, so just for our purposes, I'm going to use Max Bounty. Now here is the key of when I said, can you make money from just about any affiliate offer and how to do so? Well, the thing is, we are going to use something called solo ads to promote our affiliate offer. So this is going to be paid advertising. Okay, if you want to know how to get free advertising and how to get free advertisement methods, I have a video on that. Go check my recent videos. I show you a great way to make about $100 a day from free advertising. So go ahead and check that out. But this is going to be for paid advertising. And this is something that's scalable that you guys can increase if you guys do it right. Okay, so we need to do solo ads. So what exactly are solo ads? Solo ads are basically ads of utilizing somebody else's email list. Okay, so basically there are people out there with ginormous email lists, and if you guys know anything about affiliate marketing, you should know that email marketing is a crucial part of affiliate marketing. And so there are people out there that have gathered this list of just thousands of people, and what we are doing is we are paying them a certain number of fee to be able to promote our affiliate offer and send it out to their link, to their people, to their affiliate, to their email list. Okay, so that's all we're doing. We're basically giving them some money, a small fee, or whatever the number. It could be small, it could be large, to be able to utilize that email list. And here's what we have to do basically. So let's go into Facebook. All right, there's two ways, or really three ways, to find solo ads. And I'll show you each way on how to do it. So let's try first with Facebook. Oops, let me figure this out. Give me a second here. All right, so I'm in Facebook. Let's go to search bar, and we are gonna search up solo ads testimonials. So you guys see it right here on my screen. Solo ads testimonials is what we are searching up, and this is going to be the first group right here, solo ads testimonials. Now I am obviously in the group. I believe it is an open group. It could be closed as well, but I do not remember since I joined it a while back. So go ahead and just look for it and go ahead and join it, and if it is closed, you might just have to answer a few questions, but they should let you in. So basically on here, what people do is they are going to post the sellers that they're utilizing and how they are. Okay, so this guy right here is talking about this seller and the type of clicks that he got, how many clicks did he order, how many did he receive, how many people opted into his offer, how much of the clicks were tier 1, which is basically from tier 1 countries like US, UK, you know, Canada, etc., etc. Did he get sales, etc. So basically, this is the first way to find solo ad sellers. So you guys can search the page, and you can click on the number of people in the page, or you can just make a post looking for solo ad sellers, or just click on the name of this solo ad seller and message them. So let's say you like what this guy said, add him as a friend, or just message him, and then go ahead and ask him for solo ads. That's step number one on how to find solo ads. Step number two is a website that I call Udemy, and I will have a link for that down below so you guys can use it. I believe you will get certain percentage off if you utilize my link. And basically, what Udemy allows you to do, if I remember my email correctly, so what Udemy allows you to do is basically it's taken, instead of a group on Facebook, they basically made a whole website where you can find sellers. So let's see over here, you click on find sellers, and it's got a list of all of these sellers on here that sell solo ads. And so basically you have this guy right here, for example, and it's got statistics on his sell, how much he's charging per click, what countries he goes to. So let's say you want 100 clicks, okay? So it's set for 100 clicks. Base filter, and you have your link right here that you want to promote the affiliate offer to, and this is the price that he is accepting. Okay, $78 for 100 clicks, and that is basically what it's going to cost you. So let's take this all the way back to the affiliate offer that we're going to utilize. So this is the key here, because now let's find an affiliate offer. And if you guys have not noticed by now, we are going to want to look for an offer that is more than what we are paying for the solo ads. Duh, right? So we want to make a profit here. So I'm just going to search this by CPA rate. And we see here, for example, this ad, massive online paydays, okay? This ad pays you $65 per lead. So if you have this ad, if you're promoting this affiliate offer, and you've got a landing page for it, this will pay you $65 per sale. The cost to user for them to buy is $49, but we don't care about that. We care about the $65. So if we go back here, clearly I'm not going to make a profit if I order 100 clicks here at $78, okay? And I don't know if he does even 50 clicks here. Maybe he does 75, 50 clicks, okay? If you do 50 clicks, it's $41. Now we've got a profit, okay? Now we've got a profit about $14. So if you order 50 clicks and even one person buys from those 50 clicks, you will have a profit, okay? And this is how you scale this basically, okay? So basically, you find affiliate offers that are going to be less, or I should say not less, more than what you are paying for your solo ads, and you keep scaling it from there onwards, okay? So basically, I showed you guys the whole steps on finding solo ads, and I basically told you guys find an affiliate offer that basically pays you more than a solo ad that you're going to buy for. And basically all you need to do now is utilize a landing page, okay? So you can use either ClickFunnels or Builderall. I'll have links for both down below. Let me just show you guys an example of a landing page, if you will. Let me see if this one maybe works that I already have here. Because I had a landing page already, so maybe this one just works. But yeah, there you go. See, so this is my landing page. How to start earning, $3,475 per week online starting today. No previous experience required. And basically, I created this landing page through either ClickFunnels or Builderall. Again, I'll have links for both down below. You click, yes, I want instant access, and what it's going to prompt you to do is enter your email address. So I'm going to capture their email. Whoever is, opting into my thing, I'll capture their email, and then it will send them to the affiliate offer. Okay, so basically that is what you guys need to do. Okay, so let's recap real quickly. First step, find your affiliate offer. Make sure that it's going to pay you out more than you're going to pay for the solo ad. Step 2, go on Facebook or Udemy, find the solo ad, purchase the clicks, make sure that you're still making that profit from what the affiliate offer pays. I should say that's step 3 really. Step 2 in between was to create that landing page. But even when you find the affiliate ad, even when you find the solo ad, step 3 could be just take and find that landing page, create it, and attach it to your solo ad. So that's basically all you have to do. And you can just scale this from $20 to $40 to $60 to $80 to $100 and so on and so forth. So I hope that helps you guys. I hope that was very helpful. If you guys like this video, again, please give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting more content. And go ahead and use the links that I have down below. As always, thanks for watching.